Hi, welcome to my channel pibyme Maths. This is Baiju Vasudevan. Here we are solving Pure Math 1 past paper for January 2022. In part 1 we have completed question number 1 to 4. Let's look at question number 5. Figure 2 shows a plan view of a semicircular garden ABCDEOA. Okay. Let's read further. The semicircle has center O and diameter AOE, radius 3. Center O, this is diameter, radius 3. So this is 3. This is also 3 meter. So the total length is 6 meter. And then read further. The straight line BD is parallel to AE. The BD is parallel to AE. These two lines are parallel. And then the angle BOA is 0.7. If you connect this, the angle BOA is, this angle is 0.7. Show that angle BOD is this. If this is 0.7, this will also be 0.7 since these two lines are parallel. Angle on a straight line is pi. So if you want to find BOD, you take pi minus 0.7 minus 0.7. Pi minus 2 times 0.7. 1.74. They want us to prove it's 1.742. So is equal to 1.742 radians. That's all. It's just a 1 mark question. Let's move on to part B. The flower bed R shown shaded in figure 2 is bounded by BD and BCD. They are talking about this, BD and BCD. Find the area of the flower bed, giving you answer in square meters. They want us to find this shaded area. We know this angle now, 1.742. But the actual value I'm gonna store it as A. Now just look at the sector. We have a sector like this actually. The radius, this is also radius 3. This is BDO. You can find the area of the sector, half r square theta, 1.741, etc., minus the area of this triangle. So when you subtract them, you will get the shaded region R, right? Minus area of a triangle is half AB, both are 3 and 3, times sine theta, 1.714, etc. You can take half 3 square, which is 9/2 as a common factor. You'll get 1.741, etc., minus sine of 1.741, etc. Sorry, is equal to 9/2 times. So 9/2 is 4.5 times the angle 1.741, etc., minus sine of the angle. The answer is 3.402. The level of accuracy is 1 decimal place. So the answer is 3.4 meter square. That's it. That's the answer for part B. It's a 3 mark question. Let's move on to part C. Find the perimeter of the flower bed. Again, I need to take the figure. You need to find the perimeter. That means this arc length and this length. We can find the arc length by r theta, r times theta, 1.741, etc., plus we need to find the length BD. We know this is 3, this is 3O BD here. We know this angle, we apply cosine rule. So BD is going to be square root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So that will give you the perimeter. So it's going to be 3 times the angle. I have stored it as a minus, sorry, not minus, plus square root of 3 square plus 3 square is 18 minus 2 times 9 is also 18 cos A, close the bracket. So you get the answer 9.8 something, but they want the answer to 1 decimal place, so 9.8 meter. That's all. Question number 6 now. You have f dash of x given. Part A, I find the value of gradient at P. You have f dash of x, so m at P, gradient at P is f dash of, replace x by the x coordinate here, f dash of 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 whole square divided by 4 square root of 4, which is 7 square divided by 8. That's all, keep it as it is. Now find the equation of the tangent at P. You have the gradient, you have the point, you can find the equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. Multiply throughout by 8. 8y minus 160 is 49x minus 4 times 49, 160 plus 36, 196. So you put everything one side, you will get 49x minus 8y minus 36 is equal to 0. They want you to write it in this form. That's the equation of the tangent. That's all. It's an easy form of question. Part B, find f of x. So first we need to start from f dash of x and integrate it. F dash of x is x plus 3 whole square divided by x root of x. You expand the numerator, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by x root x is basically x times x power half, which is x power 1 plus half is x power 3 over 2. So you have to divide each term by 3 over 2 separately. X square divided by x power 3 over 2, 6x by x power 3 over 2, 9 over x power 3 over 2. So you will get f dash of x is equal to, this one x power 2 minus 3 over 2 is 1 over 2 plus 6, 1 minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1 over 2 minus 9, it's plus 9. Put the denominator on top, x power minus 3 over 2. Now when you integrate both sides, f dash of x becomes f of x is equal to x power half plus 1 over half plus 1 plus 6, x power minus half plus 1, which becomes positive half, 9, x power minus 3 over 2 plus 1 by minus 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Tidy this up a little bit. So you will get f of x is equal to 2 over 3 x power 3 over 2, 12 x power half minus 18 x power minus half plus c. And then you need to find the value of c now. We have a point given, p of 4 comma 20. Use the point to find c. I'm going to replace f of x by 20, x by 4, 2 over 3 times 4 power 3 over 2 plus 12 4 power half minus 18 4 to the power negative half plus c. You need to carefully simplify this. Sometimes typing everything in your calculator will not be helpful, so it's better to do it manually. 20 is equal to 2 over 3. You can type 4 power 3 over 2 in your calculator, you will get 8. 4 power half is 2. 4 power negative half is 1 over 2. So it's basically 20 minus 16 over 3 minus 24 plus 9 is equal to 6. 20 minus 16 over 3 minus 24 plus 9. You get minus 1 over 3. C is equal to minus 1 over 3. Sub in here and write f of x again. You need to finally write f of x after finding c. That's all. It's a 7-mark question. Question number 7 now. We have a graph given, looks like a cubic graph. Yes. And then the function representing the graph is given. Given that the curve with the equation f of x minus p passes through the point 0, 50, find the value of p. Okay. You need to understand this is a function f of x is equal to x plus 4, x minus 2, x plus 4, x minus 2, 2x minus 9. That's a given function. Now the question says f of x minus p, the new graph they are talking about, or you apply the transformations on the given graph. When you apply this transformation, since it's minus p outside the f of x, you have to push down the graph p units. Okay, and it passes through 0, 50. They say this graph passes through 0, 50. Now first, actually, before we push down, let's find this point. When you replace x by 0 here, when you replace x by 0, you will get, you have to write the step x is equal to 0 implies f of 0 is 4 times minus 2 times minus 9, which is 72. This point is 0, 72. Why do we need this point? Because the new point is 0, 50. So when you push down, the new graph passes through 0, 50. So how many units you have to push down? 72 minus 50. So P is equal to 72 minus 50 is equal to 22. That's the answer for part A. 2-mark question. You cannot just write 22 straight away. You will lose. You will get 0 mark. Part B now. Given that the curve f of x plus q passes through the origin. Okay, now they are talking about another curve now. The question says f of x plus q passes through the origin. Okay, write down the possible values of q. Now you need to listen very carefully. Though it's given as plus q, q can be positive or negative number. If it's a positive number, you need to move the graph to the left side. If it's a negative number, you need to move it to the right side. First, from the function, as you can see, this is minus 4. This point is 2. This point is 4.5, 9 over 2. And think about it. You need to move the given graph to the left or right, so that it passes through the origin. When you move 4 units to the right, you will get this graph, right? So the function representing the graph is f of x minus 4. So q is minus 4, right? The same way, if you move to the 2 units to the right, you will get this graph, right? So that's basically f of x plus 2. So q can be 2. The same way, you can move the graph 9 over 2 units. So this will come here. You will get a graph like this actually. That's f of x plus 9 over 2. So q can take all these 3 values. So to answer this type of questions, you need to know graphs and transformations. Part C says find f dash of x. First of all, you need to take f of x, open the bracket. F of x is x plus 4, x minus 2, 2x minus 9. Open the bracket. Keep x plus 4 as it is. You'll get 2x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 18. So it's going to be x plus 4 times 2x square minus 13x plus 18. Now open the bracket again. Take x and multiply everything. 2x cubed minus 13x square plus 18x. Take 4 and multiply everything. 8x square minus 40 52x plus 40 72. So f of x is going to be 2x cubed. Simplify the like terms. You will get minus 5x square. 18 minus 52 is minus 34x plus 72. Now differentiating, f dash of x is equal to, when you differentiate 2x cube, it becomes 6x square minus 10x minus 34. That's all. That's a 4-mark question. Next part, hence find the range of values of x for which the gradient of the curve with the equation y is equal to f of x is less than 18. So you take the gradient function, put it as less than minus 18, which is 6x square minus 10x minus 34 is less than minus 18. Put minus 18 this side. 6x square minus 10x minus 16 is less than 0. Or divide throughout by 2. 3x square minus 5x minus 8 is less than 0, which is a quadratic inequality solving. You need to solve the quadratic equation first. 3 minus 5 minus 8. 8 over 3 minus 1. So I need to write this step, x plus 1 times 3x minus 8 is less than 0. So it's a quadratic inequality. So if you sketch the graph, you will get this graph, minus 1, 8 over 3. When they say less than 0, they are talking about this piece of the graph. The connected piece, the solution will be minus 1 is less than x is less than 8 over 3. That's all.